We will talk about sending military weapons in this video. It is said China recently sent military equipment to Iran. These items include electronic systems for national air defense networks. The famous Chinese portable system called FN6 is included. The word MANPADS means Man Portable Air Defense System, essentially. This light weapon is designed to destroy flying aerial targets. An infantry soldier can easily place this missile on shoulders. The low weight of this system makes its use comfortable. The manufacturing history of these defense equipments reaches Cold War. The American and Soviet countries built these missiles first time. The main goal was protecting ground forces against fighter jets. Today, the technology of these weapons has become very precise. This defensive system is made of three very important parts. The launch tube is the first part holding the missile. The missile stays inside that tube until the firing time. The third part is the battery and missile cooling system. Another important part is the firing grip, or missile handle. This specific handle has the ability to separate from tubes. The soldier keeps the handle again after launching the missile. The firing handle gets prepared to connect to new tubes. The battery has the duty to supply system power beforehand. A cooling gas tank is installed right next to batteries. This gas is very necessary for cooling the missile sensor. The sensor must be completely cool and ready before shooting. The front part of missiles includes a sensitive thermal seeker. This sensor can see the heat of airplane or helicopter. When the sensor cools down, its sensitivity increases very sharply. Finding the target becomes very easy for the missile now. The newer systems use dual guidance technology for tracking targets. They examine both infrared waves and ultraviolet rays simultaneously together. This technology prevents the missile from being deceived by flares. In this way, the success rate of hitting increases significantly. In the first stage, operators must find targets by eyes. Then they should aim the missile towards that specific target. After aiming, the power and gas systems must be activated. This allows the missile sensor to become fully active now. The missile starts searching for heat after being activated completely. When aircraft engine heat is detected, the missile locks on. A continuous beeping sound reaches the ears of the soldier. This means the system is ready to shoot enemies. The soldier presses the launch button after hearing continuous beeps. By pressing the trigger, electronic launch commands are issued immediately. The battery releases its maximum power capacity in this moment. The initial engine of the missile turns on very quickly. The shoulder-launched missiles have a special initial launch motor. This engine only throws the missile out of the tube. It turns off before exiting the tube completely and safely. This prevents the engine fire from burning the soldier's face. After the missile gets 10 meters away from the soldier, the main flight engine turns on with very high power. This engine will increase the missile speed to Mach 2. The high speed takes away the escape opportunity from targets. The flying missile uses its aerodynamic fins during the flight. These small fins adjust the movement path very quickly indeed. The sensor constantly sends target positions to the missile computer. The control system also changes the fin angles permanently too. The missile does not travel a straight path to target. It uses proportional navigation methods for accurate tracking and interception. In this method, the missile calculates future collision points exactly. This smart algorithm increases the probability of hitting fast targets. The warhead of these missiles usually has relatively low weight. The total weight of explosive materials is about 2 kilograms, but these chemical materials are extremely powerful and highly deadly. Many steel shrapnel pieces surround the explosive materials completely now. Two different types of fuses are used for warhead explosion. The first fuse is contact type and explodes upon impact. The second is proximity fuse, which explodes near the target. If the missile misses slightly, the proximity fuse finishes it. When the explosion occurs, thousands of shrapnel hit aircraft bodies. These flying shrapnel pieces destroy the vital systems of aircraft. The helicopter or fighter engine is the main target here. Damage to the engine causes rapid crash of enemy aircraft. The range of these missiles is 5 to 7 kilometers. They do not have the ability to follow targets further. Their maximum flight ceiling will also reach exactly 4 kilometers. Therefore, aircraft flying at higher altitudes are safe from danger.
The military pilots receive special training to escape these missiles. The airplanes tried to deceive the missile by dropping flares. A flare is a heat source hotter than airplane engines. If the missile is old, it gets deceived by flares. But modern Chinese systems like FN6 have smart processors. This system understands the difference between engine heat and flares. The missile realizes that the flare moves at slower speeds. Therefore, it ignores the flare and follows the aircraft path. The new combat helicopters are equipped with laser blinding systems. These powerful lasers shine exactly into the missile sensor eyes. By doing this, the missile sensor becomes blind for moments. As a result, the missile loses its target and falls. A special system is installed to prevent hitting friendly targets. This secure technology is called identification of friend or foe. The operator sends an encrypted radio signal before shooting anything. If the airplane is friendly, the system prevents the launch. The foot soldiers can carry this weapon into mountains easily. The total weight of system and missile is 20 kilograms. A two-person team can easily move several heavy missiles. Hiding with this compact weapon among the trees is easy. The presence of this system in battlefields breaks war rules. Close air support aircraft are forced to stay high above. Flying at high altitudes reduces the bombing accuracy of enemies. In this way, infantry forces are saved from accurate bombings. The Chinese FN6 system has a very special design. The missile tip has a pyramidal shape for aerodynamic slicing. This special design gives more speed and stability to missiles. Also, the sensor lens has better protection against environmental disturbances. Ultimately, these portable missiles are a deadly threat to helicopters. Combining this weapon with radar systems creates complete air defense. Adding such equipment doubles the defensive power of ground forces. These were all details regarding the performance of Manpad's missiles.